FIFA is actually doing the world's craziest real-time AI experiment right now, and they're doing these three things that I bet you don't know about. Let's talk about it. First up is the semi-automated offside. The match ball actually has a sensor which fires out data 500 times a second. They actually have to charge the ball before every match. On top of this, there are stadium cameras which are tracking 29 unique points on each player 50 times a second. Isn't that insane? AI here is used to actually fuse both these data points from the ball and from the cameras to mark the exact millisecond of each kick. And the moment the player is 10 centimeters offside, it pings the referee in his ear, basically calling that offside. This is called sensor fusion, and it's the same kind of tech that is used in self-driving cars. The next thing that they're using is 3D avatars. Every player basically gets a body scan done in 1 second to build a digital twin of that player in the software. Even the referees are now wearing body cams with real-time AI stabilization. That basically means that you will be able to create an entire digital remake of the whole match. And finally, you have Football AI Pro. This is basically a multi-agent Gen AI tool built on what FIFA is calling the football language model. It basically has thousands of metrics and millions of data points and can give tactical insights to coaches. And the craziest part is that all the 48 teams get this tech. This championship and this application of tech is basically the best example of a semi-automated AI approach, where there are still humans in the loop that are managing this tech, but a lot of the heavy lifting gets done by AI. Absolutely awesome. Final call is always going to be the referee. As always, my name is Simran. I love talking about AI and tech, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.